What's up, everybody? So real quick, what do you do with your towels after you get done window cleaning with them? That is the biggest question. Eric, how do you wash your towels? Now I got a couple different towels. This is a Huck towel, okay? And this is another Huck towel. They're different. See how thick woven that one is compared to this one? See how you can see through that? If I put it in the light, see how you can see through that? Or if I take this one and I hold it up to the light, and you can barely see that, right? So that's tight woven cloth, but we're gonna go in the house and we're just gonna go ahead and put these right in the washer. You have to pardon my laundry room. I have no idea what it looks like, but we're gonna go ahead. Not too bad in here. All right, what we want to do is make sure there's nothing in the washer. Obviously there's not. Nothing too fancy here. You're just gonna put this in. You're gonna put all your towels in, just like that. All right. Now this is the trick right here. What do you put inside? Dawn dish soap. This is what this one is. It's the simply clean, non-concentrated, and this is how much you're gonna put in. That is it. And what you want to go ahead and do is put this on hot, put this on max, and hit start. And you're done. When you dry them, you're just gonna go ahead and put them in the dryer, and you're gonna let them sit in there without any fabric softener. No fabric softener. You're just gonna take the towels, you're gonna put them right in the dryer, and that's it. Put them on high heat, and away you guys go. But that is it, you guys. That's how easy it is to wash towels. A lot of you guys use dish soap, or laundry soap. It's got softener in it, so it's gonna actually leave spots on your windows. So if you're seeing that and you have a clear window, you go ahead and take your towel to buff that little area out, or you may miss the spot, you hit that, and it leaves a mark. It's what's the residue on your towels. So there you guys go. Love you. Till next time. See you.